Navigating Istanbul Airport can be a daunting task for travelers, especially when it comes to transferring between flights. With its vast size and numerous terminals, knowing where to go and how to efficiently transfer becomes crucial. Fortunately, Istanbul Airport offers a variety of transfer services to make this process easier for passengers. One of the most convenient options available is the meet and greet service, or a personal assistant will meet you at the gate and guide you through immigration, baggage claim, and security checks. This service not only saves time but also eliminates the stress of navigating the airport on your own. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option, Istanbul Airport also offers shuttle services between terminals. These shuttles run regularly and are a great way to quickly move between flights without getting lost. Overall, with the numerous transfer services available at Istanbul Airport, navigating through your layover becomes a seamless and stress-free experience. Next time you find yourself transferring in Istanbul, be sure to take advantage of these convenient services for a smoother travel experience.